Welcome to my channel, Arts and Literature. In this video, I will discuss about definition of noun, its classification with examples in an easy way. So, without further delay, let's begin. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. Noun is one of them. Noun represents name of a person, place, thing, category, abstract things, idea. It's a fundamental part of language used to name and identify objects, people, places, concepts, and more. Nouns play a crucial role in constructing sentences and conveying meaning in communication. For example, Rahim, Karim, Diya, chair, table, respect, childhood class, community gold, water etc. There are 5 types of nouns, such: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Many people sometimes can't make proper differences between these nouns. In this video I will try my level best to make a clear explanation of these 5 nouns. First one is proper noun. Name of any person, place or thing is called proper noun. Such as, Rahim, Karim, Diya, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Oxford University, Eiffel Tower, Mount Everest etc. Proper nouns help us distinguish and identify unique individuals, specific locations, brand names, and more. Second one is common noun. Now, here many people get confused. A common noun is a general name for a person, place, thing, or idea. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they start a sentence. Common nouns refer to general categories of things, not specific ones. Such as, chair, table, player, boy, girl etc. Difference between proper and common noun. For example, proper, common, 1. Wooden chair, chair 2. Rahim, boy 3. Saqib al-Hasan, player. When we specify any name, place or thing it is proper noun, but when we don't specify it is common noun. In the example 1, here it is specified that it is a wooden chair, but on the other hand, in the case of common noun, chair, here it is not specified whether the chair is wooden, plastic or something else. In the second example, a boy name is specified whom is Rahim. But in the case of common noun, boy, it is not clear that about which boy we are talking about. It can be any boy but not clearly specified. Saqib al-Hasan is a player. Delhi is a city of India. In this sentence, which one is proper noun and which one is common noun? The answer is Saqib al-Hasan. Delhi and India are proper noun. And player and city are common noun. Third one is collective noun. A collective noun is a word used to describe a group or collection of individuals or things as a single entity. It represents a group of items or people as a unified whole. Examples of collective nouns include team, flock, herd, class, family, and audience, etc. Proper, common and collective noun at a glance. Ronaldo is a player and he has a wonderful football team. Here, specific names such as Ronaldo and football are proper noun. Unspecified noun such as player is a common noun. And a group of people, team, is collective noun. Karim is a good student of the class. Here, Karim is proper, student is common and class is collective noun. Fourth one is material noun. Many people think any materialistic thing is called material noun. But no, it is not correct. Things that we can't count but measure is called material noun, such as water, gold, metal, etc. We can't count them but we weigh them. Like 1 liter water. Also, a material noun is a type of noun that refers to substances from which things are actually made. Such as the base form of anything. Like wood, water, gold etc. All these things are natural. Other things are made up from these base form. These nouns help us identify and describe the fundamental components that objects are created from. And the last one is abstract noun. An idea or concept that we can't touch but feel it is called abstract noun. Such as childhood, respect, knowledge, etc. An abstract noun is a type of noun that represents a quality, state, emotion, idea, or concept that cannot be perceived through the 5 senses. Examples of abstract nouns include love, happiness, freedom, justice, and knowledge. Abstract nouns allow us to discuss intangible concepts and emotions in language. If you like my video then, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.